The quickest way to print packaging labels for your cake business is using a thermal printer. Thermal printers are great for printing labels super fast, saving you a lot of time. But they're also great because they save you a lot of money. Unlike regular printers, this printer uses no ink. Let's get into this video and let me show you how you can use thermal printers to make labels in your cake business. So this is the MUNBYN Bluetooth thermal printer. This makes printing out your labels fast. You can get your MUNBYN set up within 2 minutes of receiving it. It's literally that simple. Also on the app, which I'm gonna show you, there are a lot of templates that are already available for you to just plug in your own information and print. However, if you've been with me, you know your girl got your label templates already laid out for you. A lot of you know that I have the color label templates, but I also have thermal label templates that you can use for your business. And I'm gonna show you how those work in just a second. This leads me into the sponsor of this segment of the video, which is MUNBYN. MUNBYN is a thermal label printing company, and they have sent me some goodies to share with you all. Now, I already have purchased a MUNBYN thermal printer on my own, so while this is sponsored, it's not just that I'm only telling you about this because they're sponsoring this video. This is something that I actually purchased to test out and to see for myself. Are y'all ready for me to show you how it actually works? Y'all wanna see that? Okay, let's go ahead and do that. We're already talking about how easy this MUNBYN is, so why not make it even easier by getting already custom-made label templates to print out on your MUNBYN thermal label. These are a few different label templates that I have created for myself. Edit in your own information and then save it and download it onto your phone. Since I already have the circle labels on here, I'm gonna show you how easy it is to print your circle labels. You just feed that into the back. They make it super easy by putting an app on your phone. Come down here to this bottom button. Then we're gonna choose our label size, 51 by 50, choose our circle, and now we're gonna upload our image. So we want to automatically place it, click print. I want to show you like how fast we can do this. I'm gonna change the quantity to like 10. And you know why I can do that? Because it doesn't use any ink, so I'm not wasting anything. I mean, I'm wasting the stickers. I'm wasting 10 stickers, but in the grand scheme of things, like I'm not wasting ink, right? Which is really great. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this really fast because you're gonna see over here just how fast it's going to spit it out. So let me try to go ahead and get it aligned so you can see. You know what? Let me just focus it completely on this. Let me pull this a little closer. Click print. Boom, just like that. 10 labels printed. How many seconds was that? Like 2? But let me show you the other side that I would use for my labeling requirements with like the allergens and all of that. So I'm gonna delete this, grab my next image. So see, this is how it looks on here. Click print. Whoops, only did 1. 10. And just like that, a whole row of perfect cake packaging labels ready to go in seconds. So you'll put this one onto the front of your packaging and this one can go on the back of the packaging with all of your information. Now let's get into the square labels. So you can do all kinds of different sizes of labels. These label rollers really do come in handy. Okay. Feed it in, just gonna grab it, choose our label size, shipping labels 4 by 6, pull in our image. All right, let's do 10 of these. So you see just how easy and fun that was, how many labels you can get in literally just seconds. So you're able to print all of these in literally just seconds. This is actually 3 labels per sheet. So we printed out like 10 or 11 of them, which is like 30 to 33 labels that we printed in just seconds. How amazing is the thermal printing? Now, I do want to get a little bit into the nitty-gritty on the details of this. Thermal printers burn text onto the labels, which means that there's no ink cartridges that you have to use in order for it to work, which is going to save you a lot of money in the long run. Thermal printing is a great option, so you don't have to spend so much money buying in huge bulks on Vistaprint. And let's not forget to mention the price of how much that costs. While it prints your labels at super high speed and it saves you a lot of money, they don't print in color. However, they do have colorful stickers, so that could be your solution to having color on your labels. Also, the designs that you choose with a thermal printer won't be as intricate as the labels you can do with a regular color printer. Another reason why I would recommend using a thermal printer is because you can get a lot done in just a few seconds, which makes it great if you are a baker who pushes out a lot of orders. If you're going to be going to your farmer's market, you're already going to be doing a lot of baking and prepping on the back end. So this could be a step where you can save yourself some time by printing out all of your labels using a thermal printer. The other thing about this is that you can only use your thermal printer with thermal print paper. So you can't take regular paper and then feed it through your thermal printer. Try rubbing this a little bit and do like some water tests. It's not ink, so that wouldn't make sense for this to rub off. They didn't all print out consistently. Some of these, as you can see, like this one is like a little faded. So it's not completely consistent, but I mean, for the quickness and the ease of doing this, I call it a win. I'm gonna show you these because these are a little more detailed. So you can kind of see the quality of these. Still looks really, really awesome. But you can kind of see where the quality is lost a little bit, where it's kind of difficult for it to pick up those small letters or like thin, intricate lines. But again, this absolutely gets the job done and is a great option if you are looking to be doing high volume printing. Let's have some fun and actually put this onto some packaging. All right, and there you have it. That is how you can use thermal labels in your cake business to make your process super efficient and super cost effective. I hope that you all enjoyed this video, and if you did, please be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and be sure that you check my description for all the links for everything that you've seen inside of this video. And I look forward to seeing you all in the next one. Until then, peace.